Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see and remove last seen recently in Telegram. So if you want to see that, first of all you have to open up your Telegram application, and after opening your Telegram application, tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on the three bar icon, tap on settings and scroll up and down. You can find privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security, and after tapping on privacy and security, scroll a bit down, and inside privacy you can find last seen and online. Just tap on that, and it is set to everybody. So if you select my contacts, only your contacts can see when you have been last online. Or you can also select nobody. If you tap on nobody can see when you have been online. Or if you want to allow some people to know when you are last online, so in add exceptions, tap on add users, and after tapping on add users, select a person and then tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom left. So this is how to see and remove last seen recently in Telegram. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.